Hello everyone, today I wanna make a video on how to make band graph and that PDOS using this Xmgrace, and please follow my instruction. And for that, first I want to open Xmgrace, and here we go. Okay, I want to make that band graph and PDOS, so I need two column, so I make two column and accept. Okay, finally I need one is for band graph and another is for PDOS, projected density of state. And for my first graph, let's import the data from cause of I don't have mouse, that's why it is somewhat problem. I want to filter all the data here in this file. Okay, I need this one band. I want to plot this band to .dat file for the band graph, and that's why here are the data. That's why I want to make okay this. Okay, then now I already shipped for me energy label to 0, and that's why I want to make this from -8 to 8, and y-axis is energy or gy energy, which is electron volt. Make it electron volt, and let's accept. Okay, and now I'm going to start from 0 to stop at. Okay, what are my symmetry point? I want to symmetry point. Here are my symmetry gamma, k, m, and gamma. This one is the last symmetry point, that's why I want to copy this gamma along the x-axis. That is 0.9852 and 44. Okay, let me make SN. Okay, now I want to make all these my band line about 1.5, it is better, and make all black. Okay, then accept. Okay, then I want to remove all these tick marks, axis bar of y-axis. That's why this finally I remove, not along y-axis. Okay, what will happen? Okay, let's measure spacing is 2 accept. Okay, 2 is better. Now I want to draw Fermi level line, that's why Fermi energy level line, and along 1.9 or -1.9. this one is Fermi energy gap, and this is also forbidden gap too. And I want to make a line that is actually my Fermi energy. Fermi energy is along shift that I already shifted by using command. So I want to make this, and let's make it correctly, and let go to coordinates, and let make it 0, 1.5. red is more better, and make it this dash dash dash, this one more better. And now let's see, x is 1 point is along 0, and I already shipped for me energy along 0 0, that's why I want to make all y-axis at 0, and let make x-axis is starting from 0 to this gamma, this last one gamma line, that is 0 0.98 and 5244. okay, accepting. Okay, it's nice. And I wanna make this symmetry gamma k m and gamma lines along this x-axis. So now I'm going to make this high symmetry line also. So I'm doing the same process again. Okay, one is gamma is already at x equal to 0, this one is for k, and another one is for m. Okay, let me make it happen. Again I want to double click line, then make it board coordinate, make it 0.5, and better to make dash, and let x is 8 point, you can see k equal to 0.416431, therefore I want to make this line is at point x equal to 0.4164 and same along 0.416431, and y along y-axis is starting from -8 to plus 8, that's why I want to make y1 equal to 8 and y2 equal to -8. okay, and accept it. Okay, you can see the symmetry points, that is k, and let's make another one, and let's change this board coordinates, width equal to 1.5, and this one is this. Okay, in the same way x is here we are going to make for this m high symmetry, which is at 0.624627, that's why I make this x equal to 0.624627, and in the same way make this x also 62464627, and already know that x is starting from -8 to +8, that's why I want to make -8 to +8 in. Let's do accept. Okay, you can see now what I'm going to do. Now I want to put those symmetry point here in the base of this line. I want to make this gamma line, remove all these tick bars, and let's make it with the 1 point. It is more better. Okay, now it's look more better than that of previous one. Now I want to text write those symmetry point, so you can see text, and now I'm going to put here gamma. So change this view odd coordinate and look for gamma in X and capital G. This one is command for Xmgrace for gamma. You can see the gamma, and now here key. That's why I put capital key accept, and then M again capital M. In the same way the final symmetry point was gamma. Change so word coordinate, then slash X and gamma. Okay, now I want to move this point and token suitable position. Okay, not okay, and okay. Okay, this one will not. Let's make it more suitable. Okay, but it is too much. I don't have. It is somewhat difficult, but it's okay. Okay. Let make it more. Okay. Now, obviously, we got the fine, graph of bands. We can see. Now, we can also calculate the forbidden gap for this band gap energy between band gap. How much is the band gap by clicking this and double enter. We can see now the list value which is closer to 0 which is list value closer to 0 is 1.585281. all others are high point, therefore we can we take this list point along x-axis, along y-axis, sorry, along y-axis. In the same way, and double click along this balance band region and enter this, and in the same way you can see the minimum list magnitude along y-axis. And finally, if we took this point along valence band and conduction band region, add both y point and valence band point and conduction band point. By adding those both y-axis list point, we finally will got by adding those two term we got that band gap along this from this band graph. And now I'm going to make the for projected density of state. And what I'm going to do was let's import data from here. And okay, first I want to draw that density of state, which is total density of state. And what you have to do was like block data, and then okay, and let make y from 2. Okay, then accept, and you can see this line, and double click this, make the width of this, and let put total density of state PDOS, and accept it. Yeah, you can see. And the next one is that fluorine 2s, and let okay, make okay, and accept, and we can see this red color along this. And what I am going to width of extend the width of this line, and f fluorinated 2s orbital. Okay, now for 2p, okay, accept, and then I want to increase the width of this line, and this line is for f2p, for 2p orbital, and accept. Okay, now I'm going to for boron, then okay, then accept. Okay, this one is green or blue line. Okay, this one is boron 2s orbital. Okay, now I'm going to do for 2p orbital, and here is aluminum. I want to increase the width, and boron for 2p orbital, and accept. Okay, again for nitrogen, okay, accept. We can see this brown color, and want to increase the width, and nitrogen, this is for 2s orbital. And in the same way, the last one, that is 2p orbital, and accept. This one is gray color, want to increase the width of this, and do 2, how much, this is for 2p orbital. Okay, finally this one is the fine structure. Now what I'm going to do was like I want to shift the Fermi energy along zero axis. Therefore okay, I want to go to the data transformation, evaluate expression, and select all along this data, and put y equal to y plus. First what you have to do, like note the Fermi energy, from your data. I have Fermi energy, I already note the Fermi energy, which is around, I think I want to what's note in my copy, it takes time. Okay, it is 6.5908, so I want to minus 6 point, but here this, that's why 6.5908. okay, then accept. Okay, we can see the nice figure. Now I want to make this also minus 8 to plus 8, starting from minus 8 to plus 8, and with the in a range of minus 2, and then accept. Okay, this one is a nice graph. And again, what I'm going to do was like, okay, I want to density of state, which is the states per electron volt. Close this, and then I don't need this tick bar along x-axis, so remove all. Then set, oh, what will happen? Okay, sorry for that, this is not per, okay, oh, sorry, per electron volt. Okay, this one is nice. And I also want to remove this tick bar from, okay, this one is nice figure. And now I'm going to save this, okay, save in the name of PDOS, whatever you dot in the form of dot dat. Okay, and now what I am going to do was okay, I want to stop. Well, again I want to draw the Fermi energy line now, which I shifted along 0. So for that, go to the draw object, and here a line, and you can draw it this 0.2 up to this point. Okay, I want to make this line again fine up to 7, minus 0. Minus 0.05 to 7. Okay, I want to make this line also. Okay, again double click this and word coordinates, okay. Now I want to make the already word coordinate. Is something wrong? Okay, this is black line, not black. I want to make it red, and want to make this line to 0.00, and want to make this, because I already shifted the Fermi energy along 0, and the axis is starting from minus 0.05 minus 0.05 to 7 to 7. That's why let's make it 7, and accept. Oh my goodness, not up to this. Okay, let make it not minus from, that is 1 point something I think. If I want to 1.2, 1.22, I think up to 2, that is the best option. Let's accept this, and this was it. Okay, it will remove, fine. 1.2, is this 1.2? okay, just wait, I want to, what's this? Okay, not up to 2, let make it 2.5, not 2.5, 2.1, is this better? 2.13, 2.1, is it 2 is better? 2.19, 19 is more better I think. 19 or 18, 18, let me make it 8. Okay, now this one is Fermi energy line that I already shipped, and in this way you can make the graph of PDOS and band by using these instruction, by using those command that I already tell you. Thank you guys. In my next video I will try to make these graph more fine, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and also do comment in the comment section if you have any queries or any comment. Thank you guys.